Hello there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Kids Zone channel. Today, we are diving into a comprehensive review of green protein pea protein isolate. As a vegan-friendly option, I was excited to put this plant-based protein powder to the test. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk taste. I opted for the chocolate flavor, and I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised. It is a rich, smooth chocolatey taste without any overpowering sweetness. It's definitely one of the better tasting pea protein isolates I've tried. Now, on to mixability. Green protein pea protein isolate mixes surprisingly well. With just a few shakes in a shaker bottle or blender, you get a smooth and creamy consistency without any gritty texture. It blends seamlessly into water, almond milk, or your favorite smoothie recipes. Let's take a closer look at the nutritional profile. Green protein pea protein isolate boasts an impressive protein content per serving, making it an excellent option for fueling your muscles post-workout. Plus, it's low in carbs and fats, making it suitable for those following a strict diet. In terms of performance, I've been really pleased with the results. I've noticed improved muscle recovery after workouts, which has allowed me to push harder in the gym. Additionally, I've seen gains in strength and endurance, which I attribute in part to incorporating green protein into my routine. Lastly, let's discuss value for money. Green protein pea protein isolate is competitively priced compared to other plant-based protein powders on the market. Considering its quality ingredients and performance benefits, I'd say it's a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to boost their protein intake. In conclusion, green protein pea protein isolate gets a big thumbs up from me. From its great taste and mixability to its performance-enhancing benefits and value for money, it's a standout option in the world of plant-based protein powders. If you're looking for a quality vegan protein supplement, look no further than green protein. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep unleashing your green power.